In this video, I'm going to show you how to print onto wood using the Flux Ador. So let's get straight into it. The Ador has 3 interchangeable modules that you can use. The first one is a diode laser module for engraving and cutting different materials. The second is an infrared laser which is used for engraving on metal and metal-like materials. The last module is the printing module, which lets you print colours directly onto your artwork, and that is the module I am using today along with the diode laser. The printing module comes with 4 coloured cartridges in cyan, magenta, yellow and black. It also comes with a focus block. You need to place that block onto the material and move the module above it so the focusing probe is in line with the block. From here, I autofocus the module, which enables the correct height for printing. I also add a piece of tape to the side to catch any test sprays. Inside Beam Studio, I pull up the camera so I can see where to place the image on the material. Here I upload my ornament SVG. This file is going to be laser cut after printing. I then add a new layer by clicking on the little plus symbol and upload my image, which is going to be printed and resized to fit the ornament. With this image selected, I change the module to printing. I also change the saturation to 5 and multipass to 7. I now hide the ornament layer, which will be laser cut, and just have the truck showing. Every time you use the printing module, you will see this little blue image here. Drag and drop the image to your desired area. In this case, I am putting it over the tape I placed down to help with cleanup. I click the print button, which calculates it will take about 5 minutes to complete, and then start printing. For coloured prints, the Ador will tell you when you need to switch out the cartridges as needed. Beam Studio will also prompt you with a pop-up notification to remind you when it's time to switch over the inks. I am very happy with the result, and now it's time to prep the cutting bed for cutting. I add the prisms so that the wood will be raised during cutting. I also switch the modules from the printing module to the diode laser by unscrewing the screw and adding the next module. Back in Beam Studio, I pull up the camera again so I can see where to place the ornament. I hide the truck image and show the ornament layer. From here, I can choose the diode laser as the module and change the settings to wood. The cutting process will take about 44 seconds, and I love how I can see what is happening inside the unit right from the screen. Then all that's left to do is just watch the Ador go through and cut out the ornament. I'm loving how this ornament turned out. The colours are vibrant and work well with the wood. I decided to do another ornament, so I chose a Christmas tree design and started the process again. I added some natural ribbon to finish off the ornaments, and overall I'm really happy with how they turned out. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to print on wood using the Flux Ador. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will see you in my next video.